Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2022, 8th of December, right? So now we are coming back here with my Forex trading plan. Yeah, I find that I am so motivated to do this plan. You know why? Because I found a secret in this Forex trading. Because when you have a plan, right, you will be a better focused trader, you know. So that's why that actually motivates me to do it every day. And what makes me actually comes into live session to do it, because you know, there is a live streaming down there, down here to do it with you. Or I am doing it offline by myself. I'm still talking to myself. So might as well I just share it with everybody. Am I right? Okay. All right. Yes. Hi CK. Hi Marcus. Nice to see you here. All right. Okay, hi Flora. Yes, Hubert is down with flu. Oh my god. Oh, I see. All right. Okay. So yeah, hopefully he will get recovered very fast. Okay, very soon. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, let's go into our plan here. All right. So first of all, let's see what we have in our MT4. Aussie CAD, once again, this is going for the buy. Okay, so definitely, okay, we are talking about buying for this. Alright, so hopefully it will still go up and test the level. Alright, so this is where my target are. So still good to go for buying. Alright, keep it short for all the selling one. Okay, right. So yes, let's go. Aussie franc, we are still stuck inside here. Like I said, there's a lot of consolidation over in. So as you can see, today is the buyer's turn, okay, to go for the buy, but it's still in this area here. So is it still good to buy? I think probably you have to take both, okay. But in this case, tentatively still looking for a buy, alright. Okay, so for Aussie Yen, let's take a look. Aussie Yen. Well, Aussie Yen is actually moving into the transition into bear. However, got supported and now coming back to retest the resistance before actually go for any selling. So pay attention to that. All right, pay attention to that. Maybe we can have a selling later on, perhaps tomorrow or next week. Okay. Anyway, today's Thursday. All right. Okay. Yeah, that's right. So let's move on with this. Skip this first. Aussie Kiwi, we are still in the selling. Okay. So I think that's still pretty good because yesterday after we have a little selling yesterday for this Aussie because we are on the support. So until today, we are still on the support, still trying very hard to hit the support here. So I will advise that tentatively we are going for selling. I will say that there may be a chance. However, please take note, okay, of the support level to break it, retest it, and continue the selling. All right. So yep, I'm going to put this Aussie Kiwi into watch list. All right. Yes. Okay. So how about Aussie dollar? Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar over here. Aussie dollar, as we can see, is still escalating, and support, and higher support is 1, 2. So we are still moving with this trend of a trend here. We are still moving the pool. So buying is still possible. Yep, I would say buying is still possible because tentatively we have tested on the resistance over here, right here, and now we have tested, and looks like now it's going to test the resistance and to come back here to test the support area. Okay, so this is one support area. Note that we still have a chance for selling, okay, Aussie dollar for today, but it's actually now looks like for Aussie dollar is actually now looking for support before it actually go for another round of a higher high. Right, so I would say that maybe we have to wait for the retesting of the C, number one, plan one. Let's see if Aussie dollar is going to break above the resistance. If it is, it's actually going back to prevailing trend. If it's actually withholding, we under this resistance, then we will have a chance to look for this support area here before we actually go for another round of buying. Okay, so yeah, so let's see how it goes. Right, so for Aussie dollar, yeah, we can pay attention to that because today looking for support. It's actually going for against the trend. However, it seems like it's actually building up for a downward trend as well. Okay, so it looks like it's building a downward trend. So tentatively, okay, I'm going to put this Aussie dollar into my watch list. Okay, with a star there, asterisk there. Okay, so that we know we are against the trend. Okay, so that okay. Yes. What's this? Alright, so yeah, okay. So wait, something else, not extreme. Something arrow up. Okay, yeah. Okay, so Euro Aussie. Yes, Euro Aussie. Yes, Euro Aussie. Yes, Euro Aussie over here. We are still looking out for a buy. Okay, as you can see, the whole trend here, we are still looking for a buy from here to here. It's obviously for a buy, right? So the buying is still ongoing. However, we have a tester of the resistance, and now today seems like there will be a chance of retracing downwards, not for support before we actually go for the buy. Well, will it actually comes in for a support? Well, we can take a look later on, but tentatively leave this off first. Okay, right. Euro CAD, very obvious. We are still going on the buy side. Right, so bull is still running, so we are still going to buy. Well, for Euro Yen today, right? Euro Yen today, we are going to take a look at this area here. Euro Yen is still moving on the bull side. So are we still on the buy side? Yes, we are still on the buy side. Okay, so Euro Yen, okay, we are still looking up for this level. Okay, this level is still there. Okay, this area. Okay, so we are still looking. So currently, I will still say that this area, the Euro Yen, we are still looking on the buy side. That it actually came down to look out for support, and now it's moving to. Okay, so very obvious that actually we are looking out for this level. Okay, so take note of this area here because I will say that tentatively, okay, this is still very bullish. We have a very good chance for the continue running. Okay, so Euro Yen still good for buying. All right. Okay, so Euro Kiwi. Let's take a look at Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi today we are still in the bear, as we can see. Okay, the bear is still we are still in the bear trend. So the bear trend over here right now, while we are looking at this, we are going to test on. We can see, as we can see over here, okay, over at this point here, the resistance level is here. Now, over at this point, creating a downward trend over here. So there's a resistance has been tested once and now coming. So Euro Kiwi is still on the selling. Okay, so I guess it's still good to go for another round of selling. However, we have to take note of the support level over here, right? So this support level once it's okay, then I think we have a chance for sliding down, right, to the next level of support over here. So let's take a look of this support level. Okay, this is quite tough. Okay, and over here is where we are looking out for to hit. Right. So yeah, Euro Kiwi, I think not bad. We can watch list. Okay. Yes. Okay, Euro dollar. How about Euro dollar? Well, your Euro dollar actually turned back for a selling today. Yeah, looks like a Euro dollar we have tested onto the resistance here. Well, and looks like the whole trend is still in the book. The whole trend is still in the book. Alright. Okay. So there are some places and there are some spots that need to recover. Okay. So we are looking into selling for today. Euro dollar. Well, Euro dollar has tested into the resistance here. Right, so now it's coming back and looking out for a support level. So where is the support level that we're looking out for? So I would say that the support level is actually pretty good. Okay, so let's take a look at the area here. All right, so moving into a lower time frame here that enable me as another round of selling here. Okay, so this current situation, it has already break the support and then tested the as a resistance to continue our trend. Okay, and now, okay, looking at this for Euro dollar over here, the support is actually very far away. So it looks like it has a very good chance for Euro dollar to continue the selling. All right. Okay, but along the way, of course, we still have to look out for some other factors that may affect the movement selling down. All right. Okay, so for Euro dollar, okay, there's a chance. So I'm going to put this Euro dollar into my watch list. Okay. However, I'm going to still putting a mark there as this is an anti-trend trading. All right. Okay, so let's move on again to Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie over here. Now, Pound Aussie looks like we are still in the bull. Very obvious, we are still in the bull. So we are still as onto the resistance. Let's see. Okay. Right. So Pound CAD. Very straightforward. We are also moving into bull. So buying is still possible, but buyers please look out for the resistance just in case you can strike back. Right. So for Pound Franc, all right, let's take a look at Pound Franc. Well, Pound Franc today, okay, it has a move, all right, over here. It is still in the bull side. Okay, it is still in the bull. So currently, this is still in the bull, and will it be any chance of selling like yesterday? Okay. I see that tentatively it's set up a support over here and the resistance is not there. Okay, so over here we have set up one resistance here. So this resistance has been tested and looks like we are coming down to test over at this area here. So by looking at this area here, okay, the support is actually quite obvious that we are looking at area and area over at this level here. Right, so we still have Pound Franc is still looking out for the support before it goes over the up. So for Pound Franc is anti-trading and currently by looking at this, okay, it's moving against the trend. But then again, there's a chance that we actually looking out for the support before we actually. Well, in that case, okay, will there be a chance for us to come in here? Yes, there may be a chance. Okay, for Pound Franc. All right. So let me put this Pound Franc into watch list. Okay, let's see. Okay, if we have a chance that Pound Franc is looking for support before it continues the run. All right, so for Pound Yen, sorry, Pound Yen. Well, Pound Yen, Pound Yen, very obvious that we are looking into the area. The whole of Pound Yen is actually still moving upwards. So over in this area here, will there be still a chance that they are looking for support before they can sell? Because for Pound Yen has actually escalated up to tested the resistance, and it seems like the resistance has been quite a few times here. Well, seems like it's actually consolidating the sellers here. Okay, so will it actually be a chance for us to sell down? Well, perhaps there may be a chance for us to sell down over in this area here. Let's check into the smaller time frame. Let's go into details over here. Well, there may be a chance for this Pound Yen sell down. All right, we have about 45 pips of this. Well, provided Pound Yen is unable to break the unable to break the resistance. So let's see. Okay, if this Pound Yen is this resistance able to hold it down, if this resistance is able to hold, right, then I think that will be there will be a good chance that it's area here, right? So about 166,500. So that will be the price that I will look out for, that it will come down to the quote. Okay, so over at this point here, right? So in this case, okay, what I'm going to do is that, right, we are going to put this pound yen into my watch list. Okay, this pound yen is going to right. So 1, 2, okay, 1, 2. Will there be another round of scouting here today? Okay, we can put this under observation. Okay. Oh yeah, we can put under observation. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, so let's put this under observation. Then pound yen, let's move into pound kiwi. Let's see pound kiwi. Well, pound kiwi, we are already in the bear, ranging for a while and get out of the range. And now we are getting into the selling zone. So that's good for the selling zone over here. So we are actually tested the resistance over up there. Okay, the resistance has been tested up there and started to swing down in the selling structure. Well, I think that's good, pretty good. Okay, and by looking at this pound yen over here, okay, there's a lot of liquidity down there for us to take. Okay, so I think we still have a great one to go. Okay, so let's see. If there's a chance here, okay, I think for pound kiwi, we're still looking into this 48 pips space. Right, so perhaps it need to retest certain level before it comes down. So let's see if this is going to work when coming back to retest the support level over here. Alright, so pound kiwi, not bad. Okay, I'm going to put pound kiwi into my watch list. This is bear trend and with a selling mood today. So I'm going to put this pound kiwi into my watch list. Right, pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Well, pound dollar. Yes, pound dollar. Are we looking into the bull? Yes, we are still looking into the bull trend over here. Right, still in the bull. So are we looking out for a buying today? Well, very likely, but we need to take a look because pound dollar actually has a support to clear. Okay, no, sorry, I should say it needs a support. Okay, it needs a support to actually go for a buy. So pound dollar is still currently going for a selling tentatively, right? So by looking at this pound dollar, right? I'm sorry. Okay, I'm still looking into this level. Okay, there's a support level here, so we still need to clear this level, or we actually can get into buying. Okay, so it seems like there's still very good space down there. 30 pips. There's one stop here, another stop is out there here, and so it's about 60 total. So over at this point here, all right. So one here, okay, and the other one I'm looking at is actually this is turbulence area. Okay, so we have a 50% chance here. Okay, 50% here to grab, and then let's see if it breaks below, then we get another round back. Okay, so again, right, what am I going to do is that, okay, I'm going to wait for it to now getting into this support area, this turbulence area. So we actually are into the selling right now. So pound dollar, there's a selling mode over here, so do take note. Okay, right. So pound dollar, yeah, I'm going to put this pound dollar into my watch list, but pound dollar is also against the trend. So let's be very careful with this. Okay, so that we will grab inside. So tentatively, it's actually still building up selling trend over here, but it's not there yet. Okay, tentatively. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Right. So, but the tentative, the temporary solution for the pound dollar is still on the selling to look for support, either this level, turbulence area, or the support area over here before you can continue buying. Okay. All right. So, yep. Let's move on. Dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD is actually very obvious. We are still moving on to the bull. Okay, so let's look out for the resistance up there. For dollar franc, we are also now turning in the bear, but today we have a retracement day, so it's looking out for resistance before it comes down for selling. Now dollar yen, well, dollar yen, I think is actually in the bear. Okay, we are actually in the bear now, but the thing is that the bear is actually having a retracement today to look out for the resistance before it can sell. So will there be a chance that actually we are going into selling today? Well, today, okay, please be mindful. Okay, the euro today may be going a little bit slower because of the Italian bank holiday. Of course, later on today we have also unemployment claims for the dollar. Okay, so there may be some movement, but today all these movements are not very big movement, so we are still considered very safe until tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, I guess we shall grab the opportunity to trade all these today, okay, before tomorrow comes. Well, for the Bitcoin, we are still hovering around this area, 17,067 at this point here. So there's a lot of negative news as I read this. But I think market is still watching out for this cryptocurrency. Okay, a lot of cryptocurrency and now they are looking into another area where a lot of people are not being exposed to this area and not very aware of what's happening. So I guess there will be another new wave coming in. Okay, but I hope this will benefit for people and not a scam for anyone. All right, in the north near to Japan. All right, so I hope okay, so I hope things are doing good over at this area. Okay, so as for Bitcoin wise, okay, just to be very careful. Okay, I think now we'll stay away for that. Still looking for good price tag about 8,000 to go. All right, so for gold, all right, for gold, gold is still in the bull. All right, so buying is always the right choice for now. But of course, along the way, when you are buying, there will be times that you trace downwards for another round of support before you actually go for further up. Am I right? Okay, so by looking at this gold over here, okay, so currently we are still looking out for the buying side. Okay, still buying. Okay, still on the buy side. So the buy side here, okay, still looking at this level to go for a buy. All right, so it may even still go even higher up. Go up for that. Right. So at the moment, okay, over here, all right. So I would say that tentatively buying is still possible, but where to buy, we will take a look at the buy market later on. Okay. Right. Yep. Okay. So I guess that should be yeah. Right. So at the moment, okay, I see that's all for today. Okay. So let's take a look at what are we having today. Right. So okay. Let's see. And let me check. Okay, so we have Aussie Kiwi and we have Aussie Kiwi, we have Aussie dollar, we have Euro Kiwi, Euro dollar, Pound franc, Pound yen, Pound Kiwi, and Pound dollar for selling today. And putting all this into the focus in selling. Right, for all the rest that I have not mentioned here, they're either on buying or to stay away. Okay, so that we will not get ourselves trapped inside. Right. You're most welcome, Marcus. Okay, I shall see you guys in the live session in another 1.5 hours time. Alright, so yeah, guys, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash the like button. Okay, to show your appreciation for the effort behind the video. Right, thank you so much, guys. And this is Eric Dave from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you later.